Hello everyone. Teaching colors to children helps us to differentiate different colors and what they look like. So today we are going to learn colors. Let's start. Red, white, blue, orange, green, yellow, black, purple, pink, brown, gray. Now let's guess colors. Do you know what color it is? Red. Do you know what color it is? White. Do you know what color it is? Blue. Do you know what color it is? Orange. Do you know what color it is? Green. Do you know what color it is? Yellow. Do you know what color it is? Black. Do you know what color it is? Purple. Do you know what color it is? Pink. Do you know what color it is? Brown. Do you know what color it is? Gray. Amazing. Let's see it again. Red, green, yellow. Red, green, yellow. Black, white, gray. Black, white, gray. Purple, blue, pink. Purple, blue, pink. Brown, orange, brown, orange. Thanks for watching this video.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye bye.